Alright.
Just to prove that you have it.
Yes, it is. Ready?
Alright, we're ready. Go ahead.
Stage magic is a performing art that entertains audiences by staging tricks or illusions of seemingly impossible feats using natural means. These acts are called magic tricks. One who performs such acts is called a magician or an illusionist. Magic tricks are performed all around the world using different methods like mathematics or misdirection, just to name a few. Many magicians have become household names like the great Houdini, David Copperfield, or even Criss Angel. What is it about these magicians that's so appealing? How did Houdini mesmerize his audience again and again? And what is it about their acts of deception that always leave people wanting more? Card tricks, one of the oldest forms of stage magic, is based on illusion, mathematics, and misdirection. Today I will be demonstrating to you how to perform your own magic card trick. And we'll need a deck of standard playing cards, a flat surface on which to perform the trick, and last but not least, an audience and a volunteer. Alright. First of all, we'll start by laying down 7 columns, 3 columns of 7 cards, from left to right. When I get these cards laid out, I'm going to ask my volunteer to pick a card. And for the sake of the demonstration, I'm going to have them tell everyone what the card is. Which card did you pick?
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
I would like to pick the Ace of Spades.
Alright, leave it there.
Okay.
So we know that his card is in the middle row. When you're doing this trick, you always ask the person which row his card's in. They don't usually touch it or tell anyone what it is. But for the demonstration, I had him tell you what it is. It's in the middle row. So you pick up the cards, always picking up his row second, laying them face up in your hand. And then you will lay them out in the same order, left to right, 3 columns of 7. And pay attention to where his card moves. It's in the middle row now. So in regular, you would ask him which row his card's in.
And I would reply, the middle.
It's in the middle row again. So we'll pick up his row second, always picking it up second. And lay them out again. And you're going to do this a total of 3 times. Which row is your card in?
The right one.
Alright, pick his row up second for the final and 3rd time. And lay them out once again. As you can see, his card's in the middle row. It's the very middle card in all the rows. So you would ask him which row his card's in once again, and he'd say the middle. And you pick his up second, face up in your hand. Now this time, you flip them over, face down in your hand, and you make 7 stacks of 3. And you know that his card is the 11th card, or the middle card in the 4th stack that you lay down. And then you would ask him to pick 4 stacks. Those 4. Since he picked a stack that included his card, you remove the other 3. This gives him the illusion that he's actually picking the stacks that stand on the table when he's not. I'm picking them. Now pick 2 stacks. Those 2. Alright, you remove those since that did not include his card. And then you ask him to pick 1 stack. And he shows his stack, so I'll remove the other deck. This time you'll move the cards out to a row of 3 and ask him to pick 2 cards, keeping in mind that his card is the middle card. So I'll remove these 2 cards since he didn't choose his card, and now I'll ask him to reveal to the audience what his card is. Jason, what's your card?
Ace of Spades.
And you flip it over and show everyone that he has the Ace of Spades. Now that you know how to do your own magic card trick, you may have the urge to go out and mesmerize your own audience. But I would caution you to first practice this alone or with a friend that already knows the trick, being sure not to spoil the fun for some unknowing friend. Like every other act, magicians need to practice too. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is the comedy club.
Audience.
Entertaining the audience. Hey.
We're still here.
That was very good.
And
Yeah.